In today's video, we will help the children to recognize and differentiate various sounds in their environment through a play-based activity. Paying close attention to sounds and understanding what they represent is an important skill that is not only related to language development but also to cognitive development. The ability to listen, understand something that we constantly use in our lives. Today's activity will help them strengthen this skill even more. For this fun-filled activity, you will need various items that produce different sounds such as plate, spoon, bangles, keys, bells, small colored bottles or coins. In addition to these, you can also download various audio clips on your mobile phone such as a dog barking, birds chirping, car horns, rain sounds and much more. Come on, let's see how this activity can be conducted with the children.
The facilitator here sets the stage for the creativity and gathers the children. She asks them to sit facing the wall so that they can't catch a glimpse of the sound-making object. The facilitator begins with the jingling, cheerful sound of ghungroos and asks them to guess the sound. She then seamlessly transitions into lively clanging of keys, creating a delightful contrast. After playing the sound, she gives them a couple of seconds to identify what objects make the sound. As anticipation builds, the facilitator uses her mobile phone and plays the sounds of birds chirping, transporting the children to a magical forest. But that's not all. The facilitator then introduces the cry of a cat, evoking giggles and wonder. The children are completely engrossed, their faces lit up with excitement and joy. The facilitator applauds them for their active participation and for correctly guessing the sound of animals or the objects.
To make this game much more fun, you can also encourage children to repeat the sounds that they hear. Thank you for joining us. We will meet again soon with a new activity and a new video.